Welcome to today's video, where we explore the powerful habits that set successful entrepreneurs apart from the rest. From daily routines to mindset strategies, these habits are the foundation of building lasting success in business and life. Whether you are just starting your entrepreneurial journey or looking to improve your path, these insights will guide you toward greater achievements. Stay with us as we break down the key habits you need to know. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring content. Number 5. Clear vision. A clear vision is the foundation of every successful entrepreneur's journey. It acts as a roadmap that guides decisions, shapes strategies, and fuels motivation. Entrepreneurs with a well-defined vision know exactly what they want to achieve and why it matters. This clarity not only keeps them focused, but also inspires their teams and attracts investors who believe in their mission. Vision gives direction during challenging times, helping entrepreneurs stay aligned with their goals instead of being distracted by temporary obstacles. It also allows them to anticipate future opportunities and challenges more effectively. Without vision, businesses may grow temporarily but lack long-term sustainability. Successful entrepreneurs constantly refine and communicate their vision, ensuring it remains relevant in changing markets. They break big dreams into actionable steps, which makes it easier to track progress and celebrate small wins along the way. By holding on to their vision, they create a sense of purpose that drives daily actions and long-term strategies. A strong vision is not just about financial success. It often includes creating impact, solving problems, or improving lives. Ultimately, vision is the anchor that keeps entrepreneurs grounded while encouraging innovation, growth, and resilience on their path to success. Number 4. Discipline. Discipline is one of the most powerful habits of successful entrepreneurs. It is the ability to stay consistent with actions, even when motivation fades. Entrepreneurs often face unpredictable challenges, distractions, and setbacks. However, discipline ensures they remain committed to their goals regardless of circumstances. It creates structure in their routines, whether it's managing time effectively, following through on commitments, or staying focused on high-priority tasks. Discipline is what helps them say no to distractions and yes to long-term rewards. It also plays a vital role in financial management, as disciplined entrepreneurs budget wisely, reinvest profits, and avoid unnecessary risks. By maintaining discipline, they build trust with their teams, clients, and investors who rely on them to deliver results. Unlike bursts of inspiration, discipline creates lasting habits that lead to steady progress over time. Even small, disciplined actions performed daily accumulate into big achievements. Entrepreneurs understand that success is not built overnight but through consistent effort, patience, and self-control. This quality separates those who give up when things get hard from those who push through to the end. In short, discipline acts as the backbone of entrepreneurial success, turning dreams into tangible long-term accomplishments. Number 3. Risk-taking. Risk-taking is a defining characteristic of successful entrepreneurs. Every business venture involves uncertainty, and entrepreneurs must be willing to step into the unknown. However, this does not mean taking reckless chances. Instead, it's about making calculated risks based on research, analysis, and vision. Entrepreneurs understand that without risk, there is little reward. They embrace failure as part of the process, viewing setbacks as lessons rather than permanent defeats. By taking risks, they open the door to innovation, discovering new markets, products, or opportunities that others might overlook. Risk-taking also helps entrepreneurs stand out in competitive industries, as it often leads to unique solutions and bold moves that capture attention. At the same time, successful entrepreneurs balance risk with preparation. They gather information, weigh pros and cons, and develop backup plans to minimize potential losses. This ability to act decisively while managing uncertainty is what gives them an edge. Risk-taking also builds confidence and resilience, as each experience teaches valuable lessons for the future. Over time, their willingness to take smart risks creates breakthroughs and sets them apart as leaders in their fields. Ultimately, embracing risk is essential for growth, progress, and long-lasting success. Number 2. Networking. Networking is a vital habit that greatly contributes to entrepreneurial success. Successful entrepreneurs know that relationships are as valuable as ideas. By building strong networks, they gain access to resources, mentorship, partnerships, and opportunities that would be hard to achieve alone. Networking is not just about meeting people. It's about creating meaningful connections that benefit both sides. Entrepreneurs often attend industry events, join professional groups, and stay active in communities to expand their circle. These connections can lead to collaborations, new clients, or even investors who believe in their vision. Networking also provides valuable insights as entrepreneurs can learn from the experiences and mistakes of others. By surrounding themselves with like-minded individuals, they stay inspired and motivated to achieve more. Strong networks also serve as a support system during tough times, offering advice and encouragement. Successful entrepreneurs understand that no one builds an empire in isolation. They actively nurture relationships by giving value, whether through knowledge sharing, mentorship, or support, before expecting anything in return. Over time, this habit builds credibility and trust, which opens even more doors. In short, networking is not just about who you know, but also about how well you maintain and grow those connections. Number 1. Continuous learning. Continuous learning is the cornerstone of long-term entrepreneurial success. The business world changes rapidly, with new technologies, market shifts, and consumer demands emerging every day. Successful entrepreneurs recognize that they cannot rely solely on past knowledge or experience. They must constantly learn and adapt. This habit keeps them innovative, competitive, and prepared for unexpected changes. Continuous learning takes many forms, from reading books and attending seminars to seeking mentorship and staying updated on industry trends. It also involves learning from failures and applying those lessons to future decisions. Entrepreneurs who embrace learning are more flexible and open-minded, which helps them spot opportunities before others do. They encourage curiosity not only in themselves, but also within their teams, fostering a culture of growth and improvement. Continuous learning also sharpens problem-solving skills, enabling entrepreneurs to find creative solutions when challenges arise. In addition, it builds confidence, as knowledge empowers them to make better decisions. Successful entrepreneurs often invest time and resources into personal development, ensuring they grow alongside their businesses. By prioritizing learning, they create a mindset of progress, adaptability, and resilience. This ongoing pursuit of knowledge ensures that their success is not temporary but sustainable in the long run. Thanks for watching this video on the habits of successful entrepreneurs. I hope these insights help you in your own journey toward growth and achievement. Keep applying these habits consistently, and you'll see the difference in your results. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and remember to subscribe.